Okay. Why does it look like milk? What is happening?
It's a glue, right?
Oh, okay. So what are we making here? What? Any guesses?
A breast?
Yes, we're making a breastplate, probably.
Breast out of breast.
Let me just hammer my leaf really quick.
Okay.
Okay.
To make it what?
To make a Canadian flag. I don't know.
Is it?
No.
No. Okay. So I guess they make the base.
Did we move on to something else? Or like, are we still in the same craft?
I think we're on the same craft, but it's confusing.
It is very confusing. There's no connection here.
No, at all.
Oh, maybe the leaves are gonna go over the areas.
Yeah, areas. Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
And they will decorate it somehow, I guess.
Yes.
This mode of the breast.
Mm-hmm.
So it does make sense, I guess.
Yes, and that's gonna perfectly fit her.
Yeah, we'll see. But the metal, just imagine put something metal on you, I mean, on any part.
Yeah.
It's cold.
It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold.
Are they gonna use?
Ooh, leather. Okay, so it's not metal, it's leather. All right, smart.
Okay, chain.
Gotta keep yourself warm. And we're making chain links, okay? I don't know. Is this gonna be like a plate of, like an armor thing? Maybe she's going to like a costume convention.
It's like for some cosplay or
yeah,
something.
Maybe some cosplay. Okay.
Ah, this. Okay.
Okay.
Plastic.
I'm a little concerned so far.
Okay.
What's the silicone tube for? I have so many questions for her.
Me too. More questions?
Every time they show something new, I have more questions to ask.
Yeah.
And we're soldering it? Okay.
So that white thing was a plastic, right? It's a bag?
It's a bag!
It's a bag?
Oh no. Oh my.
It's a fish. Wow, it's a bag.
It's kind of cool, but at the same time, horrifying.
So maybe on
I kind of like it.
No, I mean there is something.
Yeah, it's artistic.
It's artistic.
It's artistic. I would expect to see it in an art show, you know?
Yeah, some fashion week with.
Wow, 5-minute crafts! I didn't know you had it in you. This is kind of interesting.
Yeah,
wow,
I like the explanation. Interesting, right? I mean,
that's as far as I'll go.
Wow. Okay. No, good job, lady.
Yeah.
I mean, nice.
Awesome bag.
Awesome bag. So it's okay.
It's kind of cool how it has like a soft thing on the inside of the shell. It's nice.
So,
interesting angle.
Interesting. It looks like too complicated process to take something out of it.
Yeah. Okay. What are we doing now? All right. Gypsum bandage. Okay.
But what is
she becoming a mummy?
What?
A mummy.
What is this?
Like in Egypt, how they would like take the...
mummy.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they doing half mummy.
Okay. Okay, they took a mold of both of her legs together, and now what? She's gonna play the guitar with her legs. I don't know. Putting pants on. One pant.
Or it's
singular.
Dress.
I guess maybe it's a dress, yeah? Silicone sealant. Alright, what is... Oh, okay. Now it looks like a eclair, like a chocolate eclair. I'm hungry. Hungry.
For me, something like that, like a rubber, like a silicone,
silicone dress, maybe. Okay. Kind of satisfying to look at, but what are they doing?
I have no idea. I'm confused, man. Honestly.
Oh, maybe it's... Ooh!
What?
I think I know what it is.
What?
I think I know what it is. I think it's...
Tell
it
us.
looks like scales, like fish scales.
Ah.
She's gonna be a mermaid!
You're, I guess, right.
Yes, she's gonna be a mermaid.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Amazing guessing skills. Powers of deduction are with me. I'm basically Sherlock Holmes.
You're good at it.
Yes.
Nice. So, okay, but now it's not that interesting to watch it. Thank you, Flynn.
Sorry. Oh my! But you know now. It's a
You
fin.
spoiled
It's a
it.
big fin.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll see what.
I hope they make it a prettier color now.
Of course,
'Cause it's-
I think it's not.
It's too plain now. It needs to be like multicolored, like a rainbow or something. You know. That'd be cool.
I guess so. Oh, here's the color.
Oh, they're like little pearls.
Yeah.
Cool. So far, so cool.
So, but it's hard to cosplay it, right? It's just for the.
Yeah, you'd only be able to like sit down in it, I guess. It's like at boat shows, you know, like when they're selling boats and stuff, they have like one lady dressed as a mermaid you can take pictures with. There you go.
She will be stuck on one.
Or she is a person that identifies as a mermaid and she wants to live her life in the sea. Okay!
I think this is the case. You were right.
In the snow as well. That's interesting. That's probably cold.
Looks cold.
Yep.
I mean,
cool. I mean, cool. Yeah, it looks like a
nice,
realistic mermaid.
yeah. Good job. Still looking for.
Nope. Oh my gosh, what is happening? That kind of creeped me out a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, belly
Is it
button.
a mask?
Oh no,
No.
it's a little pond in the belly button.
What? Excuse me?
And then we got teeth. No more teeth.
It's art of.
It's body art, but like giving body art a new definition.
Photohogs or something, right?
Yeah, I guess so. It's just making human beings look like other things with like dioramas.
Human being dioramas.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. I mean,
Interesting. Cool.
you can do it without body, right?
Yeah, you could do it anywhere, that one, but I guess this
Wow.
one looks pretty cool with the... It's kind of cool.
That's cool, but is it safe for your eye?
I don't know if it's safe for your eye, honestly. Yeah, no.
But I think they know what they.
They're you know,
I hope.
professionals. I would assume.
I hope so. Wow, she uncomfortable with it, I guess.
Yeah, I mean it's powdered sugar all over your
Yeah.
eyes. It doesn't look very comfortable. What are you doing?
What?
Oh my gosh, they're sledding down her nose. Yeah,
Okay, that looks sick.
it looks kind of cool. Yeah, nice
But painful.
and
at the same
painful. Yeah.
time.
Ugh.
Yeah, clean her.
Okay, we got some rocks.
Alright.
What's happening here?
Some mountains.
So maybe some mountains. Yeah. Hey, it's Bob. Little rocks.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, it's Jim.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Kind of interesting.
Okay.
Very interesting. This is art.
Definitely.
Sushi.
Sushi rolls.
So we moved away from the body. Now we're doing something else. We're going with. Oh. Okay. It's a road. That's cool. Nice.
Nice.
Very interesting. I like this one.
So, wow. It's a nice decoration, could be, right?
Yeah,
I mean, on your table.
Before
with
it goes bad and
yeah.
like starts smelling.
No, I mean, you'll eat it after all.
Yeah, I guess you could eat it, and the plastic figures, depending on how strong your stomach is.
No.
Don't eat that. No, I'm just kidding. That's not advice.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Well,
plastic figure hot tub and an avocado.
avocado pool.
Avocado. That looks cool. That's awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, if you
That's
have a bad
clever.
avocado and you're not going to do anything
Yeah.
with it, you might as well make an avocado pool.
Here's an idea.
Ooh,
Wow.
nice, not very well done nails. Cool.
But here's the
But they're in
point.
progress.
Oh,
There's a bunch of artists painting them. I really like it too.
Nice.
Okay, we got a little hand towel. Clip it, clip it, clip, 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 clip. Sand, 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 sand. Or
Is it the
seeds?
beach? Oh, beach.
It's a nice little beach. With tanning beds.
Yeah.
I like it. Excellent work.
Oh, rock there. Wow. It's a diorama.
diorama.
Nice.
Give us more!
More reactions and dioramas and wow, such amazing stuff here.
It's very cool stuff.